Welcome back once again to howtocookgreekfood.com. Going to make a really easy pasta today. We're going to use eggplant, capers and tomato. Super easy. We're going to have this done in no time. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So let's take a look at what we have here, and just to let you know that all of the amounts of everything are going to be in the text below. So get your pasta cooked. You can use any pasta you want. I'm using this penne today, but spaghetti, farfalle, tagliatelle, up to you. Our eggplant, I've cut that into kind of nice bite-sized pieces. You need some tomato, like a pasta sauce or a tin of tomatoes like that. It depends what you want to use. 1 onion. I've got some capers there. I've got some dried red chili. Give it a nice beautiful flavour. It's not going to be too hot. And I've got about a tablespoon of chopped garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil. Let's go. So you're going to need a wok or a pan or something like that. I'm using this wok here. I've got some olive oil there. I'm going to drop in those dried chilies right now. Now I'm using whole dried chilies. You could be using chili flakes or even a little cayenne pepper or chili powder if you wanted. As they start doing their thing, we're going to drop in our onion. And our garlic, and then we're going to go just for like 3 minutes. We're on a kind of fairly lively heat, not super high, but above medium for sure. See you in 3 minutes. Super easy this one. We're now going to chop in our eggplant. I'm now going to go with some salt and some black pepper. Staying on this heat. Let's go for about 4 to 5 minutes now. Stir frying this around. I'll see you then. So our eggplant is well on its way. We're now going to drop in those capers. Give them a little mix in there. And then we're going to add our tomato. So like I say, you could be using some sort of jar sauce, you know, like pasta sauce, or a can of tomatoes, that's up to you. We're going to give this a nice mix, and then what we're going to do is lower the heat to just above a simmer and let this go for about 7 to 8 minutes. What you need to do is really get these tomatoes cooked out. We are very nearly done. So easy. Okay, I've just turned the heat up just a little bit now. This is looking absolutely beautiful. Let's get in our pasta, your cooked pasta of choice. Like I said, I'm using penne today. And with this heat up quite a bit higher, let's throw this around in the pan for 2 minutes. You want to get that sauce and all those beautiful flavours on, in and around our pasta, and then we're done. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. That is super easy. The only thing I would add to that is if I had some fresh basil, I would have put that in, but I don't have any. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Give us a thumbs up. Say hello. We love to hear from you. That's it. Lots of love.